G'day and welcome to another episode of Cairns BBQ Company's Pitmaster series. We're doing beef short ribs today. I've already got my coal in a snake fashion, but I want to introduce you to one of the accessories that you can get at Cairns BBQ Company. It's called the charcoal starter. Drew.
Hey mate, how you doing?
I've got one question for you. Picked up one of the old charcoal starters. I've never seen it before. It's a plug-in thing, but are you saying you're lighting your barbecue with this device?
Yes, that's it. Yep.
It's a little bit like a bit of like a hairdryer on steroids, right? You probably wouldn't want to be doing it on your. Sorry, mate. But tell me, do you start it separately in that holder, or you put it straight onto the coals where it is positioned in the barbecue?
No, we light it while it's in the barbecue in position, ready to go.
I got my trusty instructions handy and the pit set at 135.
I'm using a cherry wood on the smoker today, just a small couple of chips.
We place the ribs on indirect heat, looking to bring up the internal temperature to 74 degrees Celsius or above. From there we can wrap in foil, add a little bit of stock, and then cook for a further 4 to 6 hours.
Have a look at this. I just had a quick look before. Look at this right here. I've cut right through. You've got that pink layer. That's the smoke ring. That's how far the smoke permeates through the meat. The rest of it just cooked in its own juices. I cannot wait to give this one a razz. Well, there you have it. Beef short ribs from Cairns BBQ Company on the new Napoleon Pro. It's time to plate up. We'll see you next episode.